Today, we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT to quickly summarize long articles. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious learner, this tool can save you tons of time. So, let's get started. Okay, let's get your article ready for summarization. If you're dealing with a long article, it's best to break it down into smaller sections. This not only makes the task more manageable, but also improves the accuracy of the summaries. Here's how I do it. I've selected this section from an example article that I just found in the web. Now let's input this into ChatGPT. So here's what I'll be doing right now. Highlight the section you want to summarize, like this. Just drag it here, the selected text from this, and here we go. Then you either right-click and copy or Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This one. Then head over to ChatGPT again, right here. Then go to the chat text box right here, then either right-click again in the chat box and paste your text, or just Ctrl+V. And here we go. Then after pasting, simply type or say, "Summarize this for me, please." And this is the example prompt that I'm asking for ChatGPT here. So it's important to be specific with your command to get the best results. So for me, let's take it simple in the meantime. And let's press enter and see how ChatGPT will do all the magic. And here's how ChatGPT would process everything. All right, so watch how quickly ChatGPT pulls out the key points. Here's what it summarized from our text on parasocial relationship. Notice how it focuses on the main highlights, also cutting out any fluff. So here it is right here. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Alright, let's say the initial summary right here is useful, but not exactly what you needed. Maybe you're looking for something more specific, like details on a particular subtopic, or perhaps you need a shorter summary for a quick presentation. ChatGPT can handle that too. For instance, if we want to focus on why people form parasocial relationships from that long section that we summarized, that's just right here, I'll show you how to ask for that. Watch this. Here's what I put together with my prompt right here. So it says, "Can you give me a more detailed summary of why people form parasocial relationships from the text?" Remember, the clearer your request, the better the summary. And now let's hit send, and let's see the results from there. Here we go. There, as you can see, specifying what you want helps ChatGPT to focus its summarization algorithms on extracting relevant information related to your query. It's not only shorter, but also tailored to our specific interest area, making it perfect for anyone needing precise information quickly. And that's it! You've learned how to quickly get the gist of any long article using ChatGPT.